Hello students, and welcome to the first lesson about Forex market. In this lesson, we'll a bit talk about this market, so first of all, let's clarify what is Forex or foreign exchange market. You can imagine Forex as one big market for buying and selling currencies. Okay, now you're surely wondering how to buy currencies on Forex. Well, very simple, using other currencies. So if you want to buy one currency on Forex, it means that you have to sell some other currency. Also, if you want to sell some currency, you have to buy some other currency. So, Forex trading always implies the exchange of two national currencies. That's why it leads to creation of the basic product on the Forex called the currency pair. Okay, we've got one thing straight. On Forex we trade with currency pairs. But the next question is who trades with currencies in the Forex and why would someone do that? Well, the answer is very simple. First, state authorities trade on the Forex because they want to protect their domestic currency from fluctuations on the global financial market. Secondly, very important participants in the Forex market are financial institutions. But why do they trade on the Forex? Well, because they want to earn money on the same fluctuations. Okay, but where are we on the Forex market? Well, we are very small traders who got the opportunity to access this market through brokerage houses. If you're wondering how we can earn money on Forex, well, very similar to financial institutions on fluctuations between the value of currencies. But for us, there is no physical currency exchange. We can only predict in which directions currency pairs will move, and if our forecast is accurate, we can earn money. For example, if you think that euro-dollar currency pair will grow, you can invest money and buy the euro-dollar currency pair. And if the price of this currency pair rises, you will earn money. Also, if you think that euro-dollar currency pair will fall, you can invest money and sell the currency pair, and if the value of currency pair falls, you will earn money. But remember, this is not a real sale, because you cannot sell what you do not own. You actually bet that the euro will fall against the dollar, and if your predictions came true, you can earn money. Your next question is surely how to predict the movement of currency pairs. Well, it's doing with the help of fundamental and technical analysis, and if you want to learn how to analyze the movements of the currency pair, you will have to stay with us until the end of the course. Okay, now we know what Forex is and how we can earn money on Forex, but why invest money on the Forex? There are many reasons. The first and most important reason is the possibility of high earnings. Yes, the truth is that Forex carries a certain risk, but with mastering the skills of trade and a serious approach to trading, it is possible to minimize the risk and make a decent profit. You probably think that trading on the stock market takes a lot of time and requires a great knowledge in the field of economics and finance, but the truth is different. Trading on the market is available to all of the people. It doesn't matter if you haven't had any previous contact with finance or if you are not an economist, and it is not required to have a high school or college. Also, if you want to do Forex, does not mean that you have to give up your present job. But if you want success, it is necessary to take seriously access to this market. Regarding the fact that trading takes 24 hours every day, you have the ability to customize your own time for trading, which means that you can trade in the morning, afternoon, or in the evening, or maybe all day. The biggest advantage is the ability to access Forex from your own home, from your PC, in the office, or anywhere you have internet access. Trading platforms are available on computers, but also on smartphones in the forms of applications. So trading on the stock exchange today is accessible to all. Forex market is very liquid, and of course knowledge gained on Forex you can apply to any financial market like the stock market, indices, future market, options, commodities, etc. Today, Forex is the largest financial market in the world. Daily turnover can exceed 5,000 billion American dollars. This figure indicates that any market cannot even remotely be compared to the size of a Forex. The size of the Forex has made the Forex market the most liquid financial market in the world, which means that at any moment you can make your transaction buying or selling.